Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the town of Savannah Lamar, also known as Savlamar. This is the largest town in Westmoreland, and it's also the capital of Westmoreland. This town was formed hundreds of years ago when Jamaica was a colony of the English and the sugar cane industry or the sugar industry was booming. So that sign says Little London, Sheffield, Negril. Now, we said that Savlamar is the largest town in Westmoreland, but it's not the most popular. The most popular town in Westmoreland is actually Negril. Negril is where you find some of the nicest beaches in Jamaica, and also it's a lot of tourists hotels, a lot of tourist destinations. It's one of the main places tourists visit when they come to Jamaica. So that is, continue going straight and you'll get to Negril. We have plenty of videos up or driving through Negril, so you can check it out. So this is Savlamar. Now this is where you find all of the activity happening for Westmoreland. This is where you have the courthouse, the banks, all those things. So a lot of small districts or communities are on the outskirts of Savlamar, but Savlamar is definitely the main one. And in western Jamaica, only Montego Bay is bigger than Savlamar. So okay, let's take a quick tour. On the left is the Sinclair's Bargain Center. And if you hear the name Hurry Hurry, he's the one who founded Sinclair's, Owen Sinclair. On the left is the Savlamar Plaza, or the Savannah Plaza. And then on the left here now is probably the most popular plaza in Westmoreland, which is the Beckford Shopping Center. We have numerous videos up going through that plaza, so you can check out the channel. On the left is, if we had gone straight, that would be the Manning's High School, which is one of the most prestigious schools in Jamaica. It's actually one of the oldest schools. Only Wilmer's Boys School is older than Manning's in Jamaica. So straight ahead on the left now, where you see those taxis, that's the bus park. And I don't know what this car is doing. Okay. This is another plaza on the left. There are a lot of plazas in Savlamar. So on the right now is the National Works Agency office, and also the Examination Depot. That's NWA and the Island Traffic Authority are over there. On the left is the Savlamar Hospital, Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital. You can turn left there to go there. We're going to go right. Now Savlamar also has a lot of schools. So we're going to pass two of the more. Well, we spoke about Manning's earlier. So on the right is the Godfrey Stewart High School now. This is the Godfrey Stewart High School on the right. Another very prominent school in Jamaica. And then over here on the right now is Savlamar Primary School. On the left is Royal Pharmacy. Now you have Royal Medical Center on the right, and then you have a lot of shops, plazas, stores on the left. This is like a private hospital kind of setup, Royal Medical Company Hospital and Clinics. right, on the left is the Icon Pharmacy, on the right is the Texaco gas station, on the left is Rubis, and then behind the Texaco you can see the KFC. And of course, you know, anywhere you see a KFC, you know it's a busy place. So this is actually Great George Street that we're on, and this is actually the longest street in Jamaica. We have videos up at the tour in the entire street, so you can check it out. This is also Great George Street that we're on. No, sorry, this is Beckford Street now. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with